What's going on, YouTube? So I get a lot of questions on, is my trade line posted? I logged in, I can't see my score, this, that, and the third. So I'm on Experian now. I'm going to show you guys how to get trade lines to post quicker and how to see if they posted so you can be more self-sufficient and do it on your own. So the first thing you want to do is go to the My Profile tab. And personal information, you want to take the address that comes with your trade line and put it here as far as whatever address you get for the trade line is tied to it. You just want to put it there, and street name, apartment, if it's apartment tied to it. The zip code, you put it in automatically. It'll, I think it does the city and state for you. So put in the zip code, put in the street address, and if you stay there, you want to put, I've lived here more than 6 months. Just to ensure that you're attaching yourself to that trade line in more than one way. If I blur things out, you can just kind of get the gist of it. So you're going to have the current street address, zip code, and apartment number if it's one tied to it. And next thing you want to do is go to the membership tab. On the day that it's going to post, every product that I sell with a CPN score is going to be in red font at the bottom, says what day it's going to update. So you want to change the address the first day, but you also want to go back in on the posting date to upgrade your account. So right now you have the Experian Identity Works, the basic plan. You want to manage the plan. You want to upgrade your account. It's a 7-day free trial. They're not going to charge your card. You want to upgrade your account on the day of posting. And once you update your account with a card, it can be any card. It has to be the one tied to a CPN. It can be any card. So once you save that and you go to reports and scores, you will now see your Experian score. You're going to go to compare all to refresh all three bureaus. You will see your Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion scores. I'm not going to update mine right now because I got 16 more days left in my billing cycle, but you will see that you have a 706 Experian, a 710 Equifax, and a 730 TransUnion if you got a fresh profile for me. So tap in. Got a lot of stuff going on with these CPNs, so you can still get you one. This is just how you check their posting of your trade line for yourself. Because usually I would do it for my clients, and then I would have my card tied. There's multiple accounts, and I forget to cancel, and they're charging my card like crazy. So keep a dummy card around, like a dummy prepaid card with like $5 on there, and so it'll charge to the dollar every time. Well, test it for $1, but test it and refund it back. So keep a little card around like $5 on it, a little prepaid card, Netspend or something, and you can always refresh your account that way. I'm looking for the next business venture. I've been investing in cryptos and stocks and just different. I've always diversified my funds and did different things with them. So if you guys have any good ideas on any startup businesses that you can start under $100, under $1,000, put them in the comments below and just motivate everybody for 2021. And everybody want to be entrepreneurial and do their own thing. So if you got business ideas you can think of, you've been hearing about, you sound good to you, put it in the comments below and let everybody just share ideas that way. I'm going to have my Robinhood link in the description box. Invest in stocks. Wix is pretty good right now. Teslas and Amazon are always good. MasterCard, different things like that. So invest in stocks always. Jump into cryptos a little bit and just diversify your funds. Acorns, diversify your funds and keep the money going and making money for itself. I encourage everybody to do the same thing. So you always want to make your money make money. That's what it's been. That's what it always is, man. It's this dollar is slowly declining in value. Put your money elsewhere. Do other things with your money, man. Start a company. Be your own boss. Do your own thing.